Seneca Foundry is located in Webster City, Iowa. We are a gray and ductile iron job shop, primarily green sand. We also have a lost foam casting process. Seneca Foundry was established by the McCullough family over 110 years ago.
When Seneca was looking into investing into a machine that automated grinding, we were looking for a machine that was easy to program, easy to change over, and offered flexibility.
One of the reasons that we decided to go with the Sinto brand was the ease of programmability of the machine. We are able to program and develop fixtures for each one of our part numbers.
With Sinto, you don't have to have a programming degree or anything or have gone to college for it. It's pretty simple. We did 3 days on-site training with Sinto, and just from that little bit of time, we have not had any issues programming, haven't came across any real difficulties that we could get past.
You know, the machine sets the pace, so when an operator is working on a casting, setting the fixture and it's ready to go, production-wise, we've seen more of a leveling.
Some jobs that we are currently running on the Barinder, we can grind in half the time as opposed to traditional hand grinding.
The bottom line of Seneca Foundry has definitely been positively impacted by the Barinder. The safety aspects of it and the easeability of training for operators and programming multiple parts to get on there quickly, helping us to reduce some of those overhead operating costs in the finishing department.
Overall, our experience with the Sinto team has been very positive. They've been very good both in the research phase and after the purchase of the machine.
The Barinder has allowed us to be more consistent in the product we give to the customer from a quality aspect.